Let me see you do this with your Husky and Craftsman toolboxes.
Notice how he's not comparing US General or Icon boxes. Now granted, I probably wouldn't sit in the US General box just because it's a little more flimsy and it's not as wide as like an Icon box, but still, it's made very well. The whole problem with Snap-on is they're so dang expensive. This whole bottom chest on this Icon is less than $3,000. And it's literally a Snap-on replica. It might not be made in America, but look, that drawer doesn't move. You could sit in that drawer comfortably. This one would actually not flip. You could sit in this whole toolbox. There's enough weight. The only thing he's talking about is the Snap-on boxes weigh so much. And in quotes, that's because it's good quality. Okay? But you're also paying 5 times the price of an Icon box. What's the point? It doesn't make any sense. You're just throwing your money away. That's where your tools are going to sit. Your tools aren't going to make you money. Spend half the amount of money and get a box that's about 60% of the Snap-on. That's not a bad idea. Save 15 times the amount of money. There's a reason why you go to Harbor Freight. You actually can buy a house at the end of the day. You can actually buy a car. You can actually afford other things other than these dumb tools that are just to make you money.